Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be trying to fix this slime. As you can see, it's quite small, but as you can see, it's very dry, and if I open it up here, it kind of shrunk because of how dry it is, and it's really tough. Anyways, as I was saying, it's really tough and it's like hard and basically really bad. So yeah, we're gonna try and fix this with probably about water, I think. Okay guys, so we got some water here and it's quite hot, so we're just gonna get our slime and kind of break it into little chunks so it can absorb the water better. Okay guys, so whilst we let this sit in the hot water so that it can absorb all the stuff inside, we're gonna look for other stuff to make our slime better. Okay guys, I have this lotion which I can add in. We also have these cute confetti glitter hearts, so I'm gonna add that once it's all fixed in texture. I'll add these for some sparkle. Guys, I also found this hand sanitizer which can be used as a scent, and yeah, let's go check out our slime now. Okay guys, I'm back downstairs, and as you can see there's I don't know, this thing around them, but that's really weird. But anyways, now I'm just gonna knead it in, I guess. Oh my god, the water looks so nasty right now. But yeah, let's do some kneading. I was just mixing it up, and the water is looking really nasty, and these clumps are not coming together. So I'm just gonna go and drain out the water and then try and squish the clumps together. Guys, it's actually working. This is the two pieces that I was mixing 5 seconds ago. But yeah, it's literally been 30 seconds that I've been doing it off camera, and it's already coming together. It is clumpy, but it just needs some more kneading. So yeah, this has definitely worked. So I'm just going to do it with the rest of this. Guys, finally, after lots and lots of kneading, it's become so soft, so stretchy, and just a really nice butter slime texture. So yeah, now we're gonna add our add-ins. Okay, first we're gonna put a little bit of cream, just to make, and this will make it a tiny bit softer. Okay, next up is our scent, which is just literally this hand sanitizer. Oh, it looks like kind of an ocean in the sand. Okay, let's mix this up. Hope it doesn't do too much to oh my god. Guys, it's in my cut. Anyways, let's just carry on. I guess I just won't use this finger. But yeah. It smells really good. And I don't think it did anything bad to the texture. Also, before we add in these hearts, let's do some ASMR. Okay guys, anyways, now let's make a slime swirl so that we can add our confetti on top. Let's open our confetti. Okay, this is so sparkly. Wow, it looks so much prettier now. Okay, let's mix it in. Guys, I think we should just put it in the bag. Oh my god. It's so sparkly. It's really crunchy and it looks so pretty. I really like this slime. What do you guys think? Do you think that this was a fail or was it a success? By the way, before you go, let's do some crunchy ASMR.